Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is Murder Mystery Puzzle Series Factory GPT. So out of all that, you're going to hear murder mystery and you're going to hear AI, and that tells you what they're doing. The part that's going to really jump out at you is there's not just one book being created by AI, there's a 10-book series. And the other part that's going to jump out at you, I like to start with the finish, which is it's $12.95. There's some upgrade offers you can purchase as well. And it's all listed at my site. So you click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. And there is a bit of a description about how it puts out, uses AI to create a 10-book series. And it's got everything from the title to the premise, the suspect, the clue logic, the answer key, KDP keywords, branding, and the listing copy. Everything's put together. So, and this one they show at the site. So you come to the site. Then you click the product box or the link at the bottom, and you're at the site we're looking at here. I'm going to scroll up somewhere in here. I found the thing where he said, sorry, they generated it from a link. So I'll just grab it from my thing. I'll come back to this, leave you there. There's your 10-book series. And they found that by entering in, this is the keyword that they put in. Here we go. Royal Mansion Whodunit. That's pretty amazing. So it puts it all together. They have a brand, and this puts the whole thing together. You can look at it. Let's see if I can get it for you right in here, because they do show you. Here's 10 books from one prompt. Bam, that's what they do. Demo video is right at the top of the page there. You can watch the demo and see how that all goes and see how easy it works. You're in the series business. There you go. One lonely book, 10-book connected series that people buy one and they go, hey, there's another one like that. Hey, there's a series of these. And so you can get a lot more sales. That's the whole point. You're going to have an idea. And from the whodunit puzzle book idea, they're going to create the 10 different premises that feel like they came from 10 different authors, not one. Oh, I see. That's what they're saying. If you just do it regularly in AI, they're all different. They lose their threads, all that kind of stuff. So this is a series factory set to put it all together for you. So it really creates a 10-book mystery puzzle series. I'll let you scroll through that part. Obviously, you're going to get more sales. You're going to get cross sales. You're going to get people going, oh, I feel like Murder in the Castle book 1, you're gonna like Murder in the Castle book 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. There's an idea free for you. Murder in the Castle. You can enter exactly that in, and away you go. So this is the whole thing. You're going to create 10, and here's your case board. You can see here the different books, and it's all from, again, that link, Royal Mansion Whodunit. So what did I say? Murder in the Castle. You get a whole other series out of that. You got a whole different ideas. Things come out of it. So click the link in the video description and come to my site at marketingsharks.com, and then click the product box, and you can grab a copy of this for $12.95. It will create 10-book series, and not just one, but you can continue to do this. You get the idea. You're going to be able to create not just a book, but a series today. Pretty amazing for $12.95. Click the link in the video description and go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.